Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots and the worksheet 5. And now the question 5, that is estimation method. Estimate the value of the following to the nearest to the 1 decimal place. Here it is only up to 1 decimal place. So remember the estimation method, isn't it? The square root of 90. So first see, 90 comes in between which two squares? 90 is between 81 and 100. Yes or no? Now 81 is the square of 9 and 100 is the square of 10. Yes or no? So it comes between the square of 9 and 10. So that means first we will see the square of 9.5. Why? 9 and 10 in between, exact between, it will be 9.5. So multiply and see 9.5 into 9.5. It will be 90.25. So 9.5 will be 90.25. Means it is to the right side, isn't it? 90 से बड़ा है. तो हम इधर क्या लिखेंगे? 81, 90, isn't it? Now it is a 90.25. That means 90 comes in between 9 square and 9.5 square. Now we will see 9.4 square. 9.4 into 9.4. When you multiply, you will get 88.36. 9.4 square is 88.36. It is to the left. Means 90 comes in between 88.36 and 90.25. Means 90 is between 9.4 square and 9.5 square. सबको समझ में आया इधर तक? तो पहले देखो 90 कौन से दो स्क्वायर नंबर्स के बीच में है, और देखो 81 किसका स्क्वायर है, 100 किसका स्क्वायर है. सो 9 एंड 10 के बीच में आएगा. तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट चेक करो 9.5 स्क्वायर. So 9.5 square is more than 90. So 90 comes between 81 and 90.25. That means 9 square and 9.5 square. Then check for थोड़ा कम, मतलब 9.4 के square देखो. Now you got 90 is between 88.36 and 90.25. That means 9.4 square and 9.5 square. Now you check which is nearer. Is it 90.25 or 88.36? ऐसे ही देखने के वक्त आपको मालूम पड़ेगा इधर सिर्फ 0.25 ज़्यादा है, इधर डिफरेंस ज़्यादा है, तो डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं आंसर square root of 90 is equal to approximately, which is nearer 9.5. So here we have to write approximate. So you just by looking at these numbers, you can find out 90.25 is near to 90. That is why write 9.5. Otherwise you have to do just as I discussed in the example, you have to find the difference and see. Now coming to the question number 2. the square root of 150. Now first see 150 comes in between which two square numbers? 144 and 169. Yes or no? So 150 comes in between. 144 is whose square? It is 12 square. And 169 is of 13 square. ओके नेक्स्ट इसके एग्जैक्ट बीच में क्या आएगा? 12.5 है ना, 12 एंड 13 के बीच में आएगा 12.5. सो मल्टीप्लाई एंड सी. 12.5 square will be how much? It will be 156.25. 156.25. That means 150 is in between 144 and 156.25. That means 150 is between which two squares? 12 square and 12.5 square. Clear? Now check for 12.4 कर सकते हैं, बट इधर ऑलरेडी डिफरेंस ज़्यादा है, तो डायरेक्टली हम देखेंगे 12.3. ठीक है, 150 and 156, the difference is there, so you can try 12.4 then 12.3, but we'll see 12.3. As the difference is more, we are checking for 12.3. So here it comes 151.29. When you multiply, you'll get 151.29. Again, 150 is between 144, 151 is to the right, 151.29. That means 150 is between which two squares? 144 किसका है? 12 square. And 151.25 it is 29, it is 12.3 का है. तो हम एक नंबर 151 थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, तो try with 12.2. So when you multiply 12.2, find the square, then you will get 148.84. 148.84. That means it is to the left. So it came 150 is between 148.84 and 151.29. इसका मतलब किसका स्क्वायर है ये? 12.2. So 150 is between 12.2 square and 12.3 square. समझ में आया? तो एग्जैक्ट बीच में मिला 12.2 और 12.3 के बीच में. अभी फाइंड आउट करो कौन सा नंबर नजदीक है. तो इसके लिए क्या करने का है? 150 minus 148.84. So this is 6, 1, 1, isn't it? So you got 1.16. और इसके बीच में 151.29 minus 150 करेंगे तो it is 1.29 है. So which is where the difference is less? Here. Yes or no? Difference कहाँ कम आया? 1.16 is near. So it is which one? 148.84 is near to 150. That means 12.2 is the answer. So answer square root of 150 is equal to approximately 12.2. क्यों सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं समझ में आया? तो ये दोनों में कौन सा नंबर 150 को नज़दीक है वो देखने के लिए, सो जिसमें डिफरेंस कम है दैट नंबर इज नियरेस्ट एंड देन फाइंड आउट दैट whose square is it. Okay, so that was question number 2. Now coming to question number 3, it is a square root of 600. You know 600 is again not a exact square, so 600 comes between, same method, 600 comes between 576 and 625. इसके लिए 30 तक का आपको स्क्वायर्स टेबल याद रखने का है। सो 625 किसका, 25 का, ये 24, सो 24 स्क्वायर एंड 25 स्क्वायर के बीच में आया। नाउ चेक विथ 24.5, वाई 24 और 25 का एग्जैक्ट बीच में आएगा 24.5. So check 24.5, multiply and see, you will get 600.25. So it is a 600 comes between 576 and 600.25. That means 600 is between 24 square and 24.5 square. तो 600.25 थोड़ा बड़ा है तो 24.4 चेक करो, you will get it is 595.36. 595.36. So here onto the left it will come, isn't it? 600 is between 595.36 and 600.25. Means it is 600 is between 24.4 square and 24.5 square. So we have got on both the sides, we got in decimals. Now check which is nearer. So check, it is a 600.25 and 595. इधर almost 5 है ना, तो इधर 0.25. So which is nearer? This number is nearer. So इसका square root क्या है? 24.5. So answer. So ऐसे क्लियर कट आपको मिलेगा तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का जरूरत नहीं है। आंसर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 600 इज इक्वल टू अप्रोक्सीमेटली 24.5. Is it okay? Now coming to the last sum of this estimation method is 1000. तो आपको मालूम है 30 square is 900, isn't it? 30 square is 900. So 900 से थोड़ा बड़ा है तो चेक करो आप लोग. So 1000 comes between 31 square is 961 and 32 square is 1024. तो ये अंदाज़ा लगाने का है. 30 तक आप लोग बाहर किए हैं तो 31 and 32 चेक करो. So it will be between 31 square and 32 square. So now we have to find out 31.5, isn't it? When you multiply and see, you will get a 992.25. So it is 992.25. So it is to the left. So here you will write. So 1000 is between 992.25 and 1024. That means 31.5 square and 32 square. Okay. Now you can think of a 31.6. 31.6 मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो, आपको आएगा 998.56. It is nearer to 1000. So 998. So इधर लेफ्ट में आया, इसके लिए हम एक डेसिमल बढ़ा के ट्राई करने का. राइट साइड में आएगा एक डेसिमल कम करते जाने का. लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा तो एक डिजिट बढ़ाते जाने का, क्योंकि यू हैव टू गो नियर टू 1000, isn't it? Hope you are understanding. Okay, so 31.6. So it will be 1000 is between 998.56 and 1024. That means it is between 1000 is between 31.6 square and 32 square. Now it is almost near, so check for 31.7. और एक नंबर बढ़ाओ, और एक डिजिट, डेसिमल डिजिट है ना. सो इट विल बी 1004.89. 1004.89 means 1000 is between 998.56 and 1004.89. That means 1000 is between which two squares? It is a 998 is of 31.6 square and 31.7 square. Now you check which is near. So 998 and 4. So 998. This one will be nearer, isn't it? This is 4. Here it is 2. So answer, it is a square root of 1000 is equal to approximately 998.56 is nearer to 1000 than, so it will be 31.6. Hope you understood these 4 sums estimation method. Calculation, you have to do a lot of calculations are there. हर एक स्टेप पॉइंट वाइज इंक्रीज करो, माइनस कम करो और मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओ, फिर करने का है. ठीक है. A lengthy process I know, but you have to understand the method. And usually we have seen this the estimation method for squares and square roots. It's not asked for in the exam, but please understand the method. Okay. Bye. Thank you.